Hello everyone. In this video I am going to discuss about relations of stomach. Stomach has two types of relations. One is peritoneal relation and another is visceral relation. Peritoneal relation is all about stomach covering and visceral relations means the organs or structures situated surrounding stomach, means anterior or posteriorly situated organs or structures. First, we will discuss about the peritoneal relations. Now, what is peritoneum? Peritoneum is a large, thin serous membrane. As we all know, stomach has two surfaces. One is anterior surface and another is posterior surface. Both these anterior and the posterior surface lined by peritoneum. From the anterior and posterior surfaces, peritoneal folds come and meet at lesser curvature and extends to form the lesser omentum. Now, what is lesser omentum? Lesser omentum is the extension of the peritoneal folds from the lesser curvature of the stomach to the liver. Similarly, from the anterior and posterior surfaces of the stomach, the peritoneal folds comes and meet at the greater curvature and extends to form the greater omentum. Now, what is greater omentum? Greater omentum is the extension of the peritoneal folds from the lower two-thirds of the greater curvature to the transverse colon. Similarly, in the upper one-third of the greater curvature, the peritoneal folds comes from the anterior and posterior surface of the stomach and meet and extends to form the gastrosplenic ligament. Now, what is gastrosplenic ligament? It is the extension from the upper one-third of the greater curvature to the spleen. In the posterior surface of stomach's cardiac end, diaphragm touches. So, in this area, peritoneal covering is absent. Below this area, peritoneal covering reflected on diaphragm to form the gastrophrenic ligament. Gastro is for stomach and phrenic is for diaphragm. Let us recap the peritoneal relations of stomach. From the lesser curvature of the stomach, lesser omentum, peritoneal folds extends as lesser omentum. From the greater curvature of the stomach, peritoneal folds extends as greater omentum, gastrosplenic ligament and gastrophrenic ligament. Now, what is bare area of stomach? Bare area is the area of stomach where peritoneal covering is absent. It is situated posteriorly near the cardiac orifice. And it is directly related to the left crus of the diaphragm. Let us talk a little bit about the visceral relations of the stomach. What are the structures situated anterior to the stomach and posterior to the stomach? Visceral relations of the anterior surface of the stomach. This is the anterior surface of the stomach. Now, what are the structures situated anterior to this surface? Here, liver is situated, and on the right side of this surface is related to the liver, and left upper half of this surface is related to the diaphragm and rib cage, and the lower part of this surface is related to the transverse colon. This is the ascending colon, this is the transverse colon, this is the descending colon. So, left part of this surface is related to the transverse colon and the anterior abdominal wall. Let us talk about the visceral relations of the posterior surface of the stomach. This means if we remove the stomach, what are the structures we can see? These structures collectively form the stomach bed. Let us see what are these structures. This is the diaphragm, this is the spleen, and this is the left kidney, and above the left kidney situated left suprarenal gland, and this is the left colic flexure. This is the ascending colon, this is the transverse colon, this is the descending colon. So, this is the left colic flexure, and this is the splenic artery, which is tortuous artery, and this is the transverse mesocolon. What is mesocolon or transverse mesocolon? Mesocolon is colon connects with the posterior abdominal wall through the mesocolon. So, transverse mesocolon connects the transverse colon to the posterior abdominal wall, and this is the pancreas. So, these organs situated posterior to the posterior surface of the stomach. Let us see a mnemonic to memorize all these structures. The mnemonic is: Don S3 kills people mercilessly. D for diaphragm, and S3 is 1S for splenic artery, and the other is for suprarenal gland, left suprarenal gland, left suprarenal gland, and the another is for splenic flexor or left colic flexor. And kills K for kidney, left kidney, and P for pancreas, and M for mesocolon, transverse mesocolon, transverse mesocolon. All the structure forming the stomach bed are separated from the stomach by the lesser sac except spleen, which is separated from the stomach by greater sac of the peritoneum. Now, what is lesser sac? Lesser sac, also known as omental bursa, is the cavity in the abdomen that is formed by the lesser and greater omentum. It is connected to the greater sac via the omental foramen or foramen of Winslow. Let us recap what are the structures situated posterior to the posterior surface of the stomach. This is the diaphragm, this is the spleen, this is the left kidney, this is the left suprarenal gland, this is the splenic artery, this is the pancreas, this is the transverse mesocolon, this is the left colic flexure. Thank you.